Hi there, this is Mustafizur Rahman. Welcome back to my channel again. Today we are going to see a message from the Google that is said your account is suspended due to suspicious payment policy. So today we gonna see how to solve this problem. I use this account for practice purpose. So last day I ran an ad for practice, and after that the message is given from the Google team. So we gonna solve this problem. So firstly we click contractor sections, and after that we got a appeal section here. Probably it is loading. Okay, you see submitted appeal. Okay, here you see your country does your business server. I just write there all countries. After that they are saying please provide a brief description your business model being advertised in the Google in the account. So I write a message here that my I just copy and paste there. I have managed this account for practice purpose various clients. So this is my notes. Okay, after that they are saying are you advertising your own channel. I just click no. Domain, I need a domain, so I takes my YouTube channel domain. If you have any other domains you can put in there. So I have don't know domain, so I just put my YouTube channel there. So after that they are saying please provide a brief description of your business model being advertised in domain. So this is my own channel, so I just paste this again. I copy, I just write this message here, my own YouTube channel. Okay, after that they are saying that has your business model changed in last 3 days. Last 3 days I have no change. Okay, I said just click no. This is for affiliate, no. Multiple Google accounts, no. Managed by agency, no. So after that last option, who own the payment instrument the pay of this account. I just write myself. Okay, then I go for next. Here this says answer a few questions about your business, record the field, Google Ads payment instrument, date. So myself, I don't have any dates, I just write myself. Okay, do you have any additional information do you ask to take to account during the review? Yes, I write a message there. I just write this message here. Okay, I give the message in there that is said, dear Google teams, I am a professional digital marketer managing Google Ads accounts for clients various industries in the world. So write this one, and I show a cause the special policy. So I do this for practice purpose. After that they are saying I confirm the information provided to run correct. I just write down that. After that I understand that new campaign creation will be appeal under review. Okay, I just click all of this. I just is not about and submit the appeal. Okay, when the appeal is coming back I come back to again with this one. It takes some times. When I get this notice I will back to again. Hi there, last day we applied the appeal for the suspension against suspension. So after the last date I got a mail from Google and says my account is successfully temporary suspension is withdraw. So they are reactive my account. So I go to my account and see there is no suspension order in there. So here we see how can we overcome from the suspension. Thank you. If you know anything you can write below in the comment section. You can try it. Thank you.